Do you have a heating, ventilation, or air conditioning problem and need it fixed as soon as possible? Has it been a long time since you've had the HVAC system at your home or office maintained? Finding the right HVAC contractors can sometimes be difficult. You need to make sure that they have the knowledge, skill, and experience to provide you with complete repair and maintenance services. That's why we're here to help. Our highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of technicians are proud to offer the best service in the field. From sale and installation to repair and maintenance, we tackle each project with care and a focus on communication and getting the job done right the first time. Maintaining the ventilation, air, and heating systems in your home or office is the key to longevity of your units and effective energy savings. Don't risk your money on an ineffective HVAC system. Call us today.